Okay, let's see a review of the product rule. If we have a function g of s, it's equal to square root of x times 4 minus x squared. In the product rule, we have two functions that multiply each other. Let's suppose square root of s is f of x and 4 minus x squared is g of x. If we would like to find the derivative of that function, let's suppose that here is the derivative. Let's write y prime. That will be the first one times the derivative of the second one plus the second one times the derivative of the first one. That's the rule, this one here. That's the derivative of the product rule. Now let's do this example with g of s. So that will be my f of x, or f of s will be square root of s. So I put the first one times the derivative of the second one. The derivative here will be negative 2s, plus the second one, 4 minus s squared, times the derivative of the first one. Remember that square root of s is the same as s raised to 1/2, so the derivative of this will be 1/2 of s raised to negative 1/2. That will be the derivative. So the derivative of the first one will be 1/2 s raised to 1/2. Okay, this is the derivative of the first one. Now we do some algebra here, and this times this. Remember, s is 1/2 plus 1, because when we have the same base we add the exponent. That will be negative 2s raised to 3/2, because 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. Plus, here we do a distributive property, this times this and this times this. Multiplying this times 4, 4 times 1/2 is 2, 2s raised to negative 1/2. Then minus, here we put 1/2 s, and 2 plus negative 1/2, that will be 2 minus 1/2, 3/2. Now we look for if there is any like terms, and there is. The like terms are s raised to 3/2 and s raised to 3/2, and 2 and negative 1/2, that would be negative 2.5, or 5/2 is the same, s raised to 3/2 plus 2s to negative 1/2. Now let's write the answer in a different way, just to help you visualize. Remember that when we have a negative exponent, it's like positive exponent in a different place. If it's up, goes down. If it's down, go up. So here, let's write it negative 5/2. That is the same as negative 2.5. S 3/2 plus 2 divided by s to 1/2 positive, or a square root of s is the same. So this is a valid answer, and this one is a valid answer too. So this is an example of the product rule.